Hi, I'm Ariel Major, and I'm a product owner here at Cavallo. Today I'm going to show you how to easily route orders based on a warehouse. Sometimes you'll have different processes based on the location of your warehouse. For example, I want to route orders for dropshipping based on any order that comes out of the East warehouse. In order to do this, I'm going to go to this top right menu here and go to Workflows. I want to edit the order workflow so that it has a dropshipping queue. Going to add the dropshipping queue, drag it after order details, and from order details, I'm going to add an alternate path based on the East warehouse location. So I'm going to toggle this on, call it the dropshipping path, and say that if a field from the order of warehouse is East warehouse, then move it to the dropshipping queue. Then I need to set up my dropshipping queue. Since this is a dropship queue, I want this to go directly to creating an invoice and skipping the picking and shipping queues. To do this, I will just simply select the primary path of create invoice for this. I'm going to hit save. I'm going to check my work and make sure that the alternate path is based on the East warehouse, which will move it to the dropship queue, which will move it directly to the create invoice queue. Now I need to apply my changes by clicking apply changes. And now that the workflow is saved, let's put in an order to show how the dropship queue will work. I'm going to put in an order for a datum corporation. I'm going to put in an order. I'm going to select the location as the East warehouse. That will signify that this order is a dropship order. I'm going to add my product. Now I'm going to submit it to order details. And now you'll notice that the option to submit to the dropshipping queue has showed up. This is because the order details queue noticed that the location was set to East warehouse. Now I'll submit it to the dropshipping queue and then directly to creating an invoice. And that's how you easily route orders based on warehouse. If you have any questions or any other topics that you'd like for us to discuss, please add them to the comment section below. Otherwise, for more tips and tricks videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for joining us.